it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Hey, yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back with another one. We're back with another promotion. This is One Mancha Son. One Mancha. I reacted to One Mancha song yesterday, which I will leave a link in the description of this one below of that reaction. And I will leave it at at the end of the reaction also. But this is dawaid, guys, with Shining Star. Alright, so this is the son of One Mancha. So big up yourself, One Mancha. dawaid, big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. Continue working with the father to put out this work. So we're gonna jump in on one. So this one is produced by One Mancha Records. So it's just them two as a team doing everything for themselves. So if there's any talented team out there or any talented people out there that would like to be a part of these guys' movement, you can reach out to them. You can reach out to them on Instagram at One Mancha, and then you can actually, so it's One Mancha Record, so One MANCHA record. You can reach out to them and start business, and I'm sure they will be open to do that. All right, so let's jump in this one and hear what Dawaid have to say, guys. Let's go.
Why are bad people always trying to dim my light? Because hypocrisy will not make them let you thrive. But why? I'm a survivor. I am the light inside the dark. I'm a survivor. I am the light inside the dark. Shining like the sun, shining like the moon. Ask who I am the son of the king. I am a star, I am a star, I am a star before the day I was born. I am a star, I am a star, I am a star, I am the child of the king. You are a star, you are a star, you are a star before the day you were born. You are a star, you are a star, you are a star, you are a child of the king, king of the world, king of the earth. Life is what you make it. One love you have, don't make the enemy take it. You're born with Christ, don't make him break it. Despite of the fight, heaven, I have to make it. Oh, yeah. Why are bad people always trying to dim my light? Because hypocrisy will not make them let you thrive. I'm a survivor. I am a light inside the dark. I'm a survivor. I am a light.
Yo. Aye. Me can't hold this no more. We are gonna start again and we are gonna dissect what the G has say. What the young general is saying, man. I thought I would let it run as long as I could without saying anything, but we are go again. And we are gonna pause more.
Why are bad people
So, homeless rhythm, One Mancha Records,
always
dawaid,
trying to
Shining Star,
dim
for the second time. Let's go.
my light? Because hypocrisy will not make them let you thrive.
The powerful words have coming out of Dawaid's mouth, bro. Like you can, it's like you believe everything what he's saying, bro. Like you can feel it because it's coming from his heart. He's saying why make people always try dim your light, basically. Like He's a shining star. He know that he's a shining star. That is what he's saying right there. Let's go again, man. Let's go.
Make them let my Lord, because hypocrisy will not make them let you thrive.
If them cross it, they will not make you strive. Like, so basically don't worry about them. Live your life. You're a star, brother.
Because hypocrisy will not make them let you thrive.
You can tell he's feeling it, bro. He's feeling it, man.
I'm a survivor. I am the light inside the dark.
One mancha. Dada, you do a good job for your son, brother. You do a good job for your son, brother. Me I tell you that from now. You see me? The man say, I'm a survivor. I'm a shining star. I'm the light, brother. Yo, he's telling you all the positives. Believe, man.
I'm a survivor. I am the light inside the dark.
The light inside the dark, yo. Come on.
I'm a survivor.
One man today.
I am the light inside the dark. Shining like the sun, shining like the moon. Ask who I am the son of the king.
Shining like the star, shining like the moon. Actually, I'm the son of the king. Yo, can I just find out? Because obviously this is a raw reaction. First time hearing this. Like I mentioned in the intro, if one mantra was to get a professional engineer to mix these down properly, because to me it's quite a rough mix, but him can get away with it because him son voice, you can understand everything what he must say, but in the background there's some stuff going on where it need to be smooth out just a little, and I think with the touch of a professional they can actually do that.
I am a star. I am a star. I am a star before the day I was born.
Harmony as well.
I am a star. I am a star. I am a star. I am the child of the king.
Boss, I'll play piano, brother. Boss, how much I can play piano? Talk the truth. How much I can play piano? Come on.
I am a star. I am the child of the king. You are a star. You are a star.
So the man a point and I tell you straight, say, listen, not just him at the star, you is a star too, not just him at the star, you see me? So, you and him a star, brother, not just him. You and him is a star, not just him, know that.
You are a star before the day you were born.
Before the day you were born.
You are a star.
Jeez.
You are a star. You are a star. You are a child of the king.
Child of the king,
King
man.
of the world. King of the earth. Life is what you make it. One life you have, don't make the enemy take it.
Yeah, that life is what you make it. At a 14-year-old, I tell you that. Life is what you make it. One life you have, don't make the enemy take it. But also remember, say the world will get the same 24 hours, not a day. Make use of your own, man.
Life is what you make it. One life you have, don't make the enemy take it. You're born with Christ, don't make him break it. Despite of the fight, heaven, I have to make it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Why are bad people always trying to dim my light? Because hypocrisy will not make them let you thrive. I'm a survivor. I am a light inside the dark. I'm a survivor. I am a
Nelson,
light
man.
inside the dark. A lot of people lose their way because of lack of faith.
Yeah, just say a while ago, a lot of people lose their ways because of the lack of faith. Them not have no faith, them lose them way. Yo,
Because of lack of faith. Even in my dullest times, Jesus, I'll praise your name. Now remember, life is what you make it. One
Nice.
life you have, don't make the enemy take it. And you're born with Christ, don't make him break it. Despite us to fight heaven, you have to make it. 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 You're
that
a
the same, but
star. I'm a survivor. I am a light inside the dark.
wow, this youth is gonna be a powerful voice, man. He is so talented, like no joke. And one man shall do a great job. And it's finished, right? Yeah, it's finished. One man shall big up yourself. So this one says film and edited by Star Fraternity Music Group. So big up the videographic behind this one. Like I said yesterday, I made a mistake thinking that the other little boy in the video was One Mancha's son, but it's not. It's this little boy's name is dawaid. So guys, I'm gonna leave a link to this down in the comment section. It's gonna be pinned on the top of the comment section. Please, guys, go over there and give them a follow. Tell them say Jamaica Came and send you over there. You understand? Please, man, we have to support good music, and when good music is good, we have to support good, positive music. It's not all about the bagayaga bogayaga song, them, you know. Them song ya have substance. Them song ya have longevity. You understand? So we need to nurture them young talent, yeah. Make them become great same way, just like the other greats them. You understand? So yeah. This time I'm gonna leave that one still. One man, big up yourself, bro. That way big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. For real, for real. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip on earth.